Today's topic is to add a trailing zeros to the string. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using an ijust method, and the method two by using a format. Let's start from the first method, that is by using an ijust method. So first we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to have the number of the zeros in it, and after that we are taking an x variable in which is going to add the summation of both of them. It's going to be the particularly the length, and after that we are going to use an else method over here. So it has two parameters over here. The first parameters is the length of our string. So what it will do is it will just go through our string, and after that it will go to our the length of the string which we needed, and it will check if they both are not same, then it will pad those zeros which we have passed, and after that of a string, and after that it's going to store it into the string number 2, and we have them as an output. As you can see it over here, our string is AAA, and I need the 4 zeros on it. So after that I get AAA and the 4 zeros in our string number 2.